Hi, my name is Sonu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about P2P cycle. So P2P is a stand for procurement to payment. It is a business process which start from requisition and end with the supplier payment. There are some few steps of P2P: purchase requisition, request for quotation, purchase order, good receipt note, invoice, payment, and reconciliation. If you will talk about purchase requisition, it is create when organization want to buy something, then the employee under department will create a requisition for requesting to buy goods or service from the procurement team. The purchase of a requisition is approval process, budget validation, and internal process. After the purchase requisition, the procurement team will create RFQ. The RFQ will contain item details, quantity, delivery date, term and condition, and send it to the multiple supplier. Once the supplier is selected, the procurement team will create a purchase order. A purchase order contains a purchase order number, supplier name, buyer details, item description, quantity, unit price, delivery date, and payment terms. Once the supplier delivered the items, the receiving team will check the quantity, quality, and the condition. If correct everything is correct, then the GRN is created. GRN confirmed that the good have been received successfully. There is no issue with the items. Then the supplier send the invoice, and the account payable team validate it using two-way matching by purchase order invoice or three-way matching purchase order GRN invoice. If everything is matches, the invoice is approved. After the invoice approval, the account team will initiate the payment. The payment method include bank transfer, check, online payment. The supplier receive the payment according to the agreed payment terms. Once the payment has been done, the bank will send a bank statement to the organization, and the finance verifies payment amount, supplier, date. Once they verified, the accounting entries are posted to the general ledger. So that's a full P2P process. Thank you for watching this video.